Okay, so it should be going camera. Well, hey camera. Literally, okay, it's recording. I'm screen recording this, and on camera, so I can just press a button, and then it goes to the rain and me. So, see, I have a jacket and an umbrella. If we put it like that. If I go under the umbrella, what the heck? Just look at this. It's weird. And look, I even need an umbrella. Plus, I have a jacket here. But look at this. God. What the heck? Yeah, this is standing, but... Oh. Wow. This is like a pond. A mini pond right here because of all the rain, and it's down. Honestly, I can show you my reactions, but this is pretty weird, honestly, because it's like we never experienced a pond in the Gulf. Here, let me show it back to you. We never experienced like this before. Or see, it's kind of like a pond here. You can literally see rain falling in everywhere. If we, you even have me holding the umbrella right here. But I'm surprised this gold's not down because of all this heavy rain. See, there's like water here. If we zoom back out, zoom in, see, there's literally water here. Ooh, sorry. Hold on. There's real water here. See? Hold on, I'll stop it. So, this is just weird. So, is it still recording? Yep. See, it's like really weird here. And it's like the gutters are not really doing good in their job, but I don't want to complain. It's like kind of understandable because it's like a lot of rain. Oh, I'm wet. Oh my God. Well, Happy New Year, everyone. 2020's over. Now that's 2020's in the past, 2021's in the present. So, yeah. But, yeah, this is just being really weird, this rain, and, oh my, we need to catch this on camera. See? There's like, it's flowing and flowing and flowing even on like the sidewalk. And yeah, this is actually weird because it kind of looks like polished granite in Minecraft or something like that. Polished granite in Minecraft, and I'm being really slow. If you zoom out, oh, there's even a little stream right here. And look, this is funny, but yeah, this is really weird. Yeah, let's go back to the top. And look, this tree. I don't like walking up hills, to tell you the truth. But look, this, if you can see it, it literally has, oh my gosh, it fell on me. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna stop the recording here, and yeah, bye, subscribe.